For decades, scientists have been trying to harness the power of fusion, the same process that powers the sun, as a virtually limitless source of clean energy. And now, it seems they may have finally succeeded. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing on major breakthrough on nuclear fusion energy. So let's not wait and get started. U.S. scientists have announced a significant development in the battle to recreate nuclear fusion. Since the technique holds the promise of a potentially endless source of renewable energy, physicists have been working on it for decades. Researchers said on Tuesday that they have successfully surmounted a significant challenge by generating more energy from a fusion experiment than was put in. However, according to scientists, it will be some time before fusion can power homes. But before we get into the details, let's first take a step back and understand exactly what nuclear fusion is. Nuclear fusion is a process by which atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. It is the process that powers the sun and other stars. The energy released in nuclear fusion reactions is much greater than that released in nuclear fission reactions, which is the process used in nuclear power plants. Why it has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate power? There are several reasons why nuclear fusion has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate power, such as: Number 1 is high energy output. Nuclear fusion reactions release a large amount of energy, much more than traditional fossil fuel sources or even nuclear fission reactions. Number 2 is low greenhouse gas emissions. Fusion reactions do not produce greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, which are a major contributor to climate change. Number 3 is low risk of accidents. Fusion reactions do not produce harmful radiation or long-lived nuclear waste, making them much safer than traditional nuclear power. However, achieving nuclear fusion on Earth has proven to be a challenging task, as it requires overcoming a number of technical and scientific obstacles. Despite this, there has been significant progress in recent years, and researchers are working on developing practical fusion energy sources. Now let's understand, how does nuclear fusion work? The National Ignition Facility at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, LLNL, in California is where the experiment was conducted. This is a historic achievement, LLNL Director Dr. Kimbodo said. Thousands of individuals have contributed to this endeavor over the past 60 years, and it took real vision to get us here. It is said that nuclear fusion is the holy grail of energy generation. The sun and other stars are propelled by it. It functions by fusing two pairs of light atoms. This fusion generates a lot of energy. There is significantly more energy produced via nuclear fusion, and only trace amounts of radioactive waste are created. Additionally, and perhaps most significantly, the process emits no greenhouse gases, and as a result, has no impact on climate change. Let's look at the statements under one of the experiments in the National Ignition Facility in California, which is a $3.5 billion, 2.85 billion pounds experiment conducted on how nuclear fusion works. Dr. Marvin Adams, Deputy Administrator for Defense Programs at the U.S. National Nuclear Security Administration, announced the achievement by stating that 2.05 megajoules MJ of energy from the laboratory's lasers had been input into the target, which had then produced 3.15 megajoules of fusion energy output. CEO Dr. Melanie Windridge, Fusion Energy Insights CEO Dr. Melanie Windridge, told the BBC, "Since they discovered what made the sun shine, fusion has fascinated scientists. These results today certainly put us on the road to the technology's commercialization." Professor Gianluca Gregori of physics at Oxford University said many scientists in the US, UK, and other countries contributed to today's triumph. With ignition being accomplished, a door to new science is opening in addition to the release of fusion energy. These were some of the remarkable statements made by remarkable people on nuclear fusion. So as we've seen, nuclear fusion has the potential to provide a virtually limitless and clean source of energy for generations to come. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the advances made in the field of nuclear fusion in recent years give us hope that one day, this technology will be a reality. So let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible and work towards a future powered by nuclear fusion. Thank you for watching this video. Do let us know in the comment section below. What do you think about nuclear fusion? Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Click the red subscribe button and enable the post notification bell to never miss an update.